Editing is one of the most important aspects of the product design cycle. Almost all designs require editing, either during their creation or after they are created. CATIA V5 is a feature-based and parametric software. Therefore, the designs created in CATIA V5 are a combination of individual feature. In this tutorial, you will create the model of the bottom seat. Its views and dimensions are shown in this slide. All these features can be edited individually. The model after making the modifications is displayed. Select Start from the menu bar. Now select Mechanical Design module. A contextual menu is displayed. Select the part design from it. The New Part dialog box is displayed. Enter C07-Tutorial in the Enter Part Name selection area. Choose OK button. The base feature of the model will be created by extruding a sketch drawn on the ZEX plane, with the mirrored extent checkbox selected. Now choose Sketch button, and select ZEX plane. Now draw the sketch in the Sketcher workbench, by using Profile and Arc tool. Exit from the Sketcher workbench. To dock the unwanted toolbar from the geometry area, double-click on the toolbars. Now invoke the Pad Definition dialog box by choosing Pad button from the Sketch-based feature toolbar. Set the value of the length spinner to 150 and select the Mirrored Extent checkbox. Now choose the OK button. The model, after creating the base feature, is displayed. The second feature of this model will be created by extruding a sketch drawn on the front face of the model. To do so, choose the Sketch button. Select the front face of the model as the sketching plane and invoke the Sketcher workbench. Draw the sketch of the second feature and exit the Sketcher workbench. Invoke the Pocket Definition dialog box. Select the Up to Last option from the Type drop-down list. Choose the OK button from the Pocket Definition dialog box. To see the view clearly, choose the Fit All In button. The model, after creating the second feature, is displayed. Next, choose the Hole button from the Sketch-based features toolbar. The Hole Definition dialog box is displayed. Choose the Positioning Sketch button from the dialog box. The Sketcher workbench is displayed. Give dimensions to the point and exit from the Sketcher workbench. Set 20 mm in the diameter spinner, and select Up to Last option from Type drop-down list. And choose OK button. Now mirror the whole feature about ZEX plane by using Mirror button. Now create the simple hole feature on the right face of the model. After creating the model, you need to perform some editing operations on it. The first editing operation is to replace simple holes placed on the front face of the base feature with the countersunk holes. Double-click on the right hole placed on the front face of the base feature of the model. The Hole Definition dialog box is displayed. Now select the countersunk option from the drop-down list provided in the Type tab of the Hole Definition dialog box. Invoke the Type tab of the Hole Definition dialog box if it is not already selected. Click on the Type drop-down list. Set the value of the depth spinner to 5 and the angle spinner to 90 deg and choose OK button. The right simple hole placed on the front face of the base feature is changed to a countersunk hole. As the hole on the left side is mirror feature, it will get automatically modified. Next, you need to change the simple hole placed on the right face of the base feature to counterboard hole. Double-click on the simple hole placed on the right face of the base feature. The hole definition dialog box is displayed. Invoke the Type tab of the hole definition dialog box if it is not invoked by default. Select the counter board option from the drop-down list in the Type tab of the hole definition dialog box. Set the value in the diameter spinner to 40 and the depth spinner to 15. Next, you need to edit the sketch of the second feature of the model. According to the change in the design of the model, you need to convert the curved slot on the upper face of the model to a rectangular slot. Select the second pocket feature from the specification tree or from the geometry area and invoke the contextual menu. Move the cursor to the name of the selected feature to invoke the cascading menu. Choose the Edit Sketch Point to option. From the cascading menu, the Sketcher workbench is invoked. Exit the Sketcher workbench. To see the clear view, choose the Fit All In button. The model, after modifying the sketch, is displayed. Dock all the toolbars from the geometry area.